welcome to channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your chemistry for class 11. This is your class 33. We had done your 32th class in the last session, and where we had completed about the fluorine, graphite and diamond as well. Today we'll start discussing. In last class we had done your uses of carbon as well. Today we'll discuss about some important compounds of carbon and silicon, which is oxides of carbon. So let's go for it, and hopefully you had enjoyed this. So thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. You will find each and every video in the playlist. So discuss some important compounds of carbon and silicon. So here we'll discuss about oxides of carbon. Oxides of carbon, where the two important oxides of carbon are carbon monoxide, which is CO, and carbon dioxide, which is CO2. So first we'll discuss about carbon monoxide. In carbon monoxide, here the direct oxidation of carbon in limited supply of oxygen or air that yield carbon monoxide. So for that we'll be having 2 carbon, that is in solid, plus O2, which is in gas, will give, in the presence of heat, 2C. Now, on small scale, pure carbon monoxide is prepared by dehydration of formic acid with concentrated H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin. So, HCOOH 373 Kelvin, concentrated H2SO4 will give you H2 plus carbon monoxide. So on commercial scale, it is prepared by the passage of steam over the hot coke, and the mixture of carbon monoxide and H2 thus produced is known as water gas or synthesis gas here. Now we discussed, so just write it down for you all, and that it will be helpful when you are going through the notes. The mixture of carbon monoxide and H2 thus produced is known as water gas or synthesis gas, and which will give you carbon plus H2 1273 Kelvin, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, and this is what it is called as water gas. Okay, now when air is used instead of steam, a mixture carbon oxide, monoxide and N2 is produced, which is called producer gas. So that also you can write it down. You can make a note for it. When air is used instead of steam, a mixture of carbon monoxide and N2 is produced. Which is called producer gas. That is your 2 carbon plus O2 gas plus 4 N2 1273 Kelvin, 2 carbon monoxide gas plus 4 N2 gas. This is known as the producer gas. So here the water gas and the producer gas that comes under in it. And so producer gas and the producer gas as well as the synthesis gas, which is known as the water gas as well. These two gases form in terms of it. So water gas and producer gas are very important industrial fuel. Carbon monoxide in water gas or producer gas that can undergo further combustion, forming carbon dioxide with the liberation of heat here. And the carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless and almost water insoluble gas, and it is a powerful reducing agent and reduces almost all metal oxide other than those of alkali and alkaline earth metal, aluminium and a few transition metal. Where this property carbon monoxide is used the extractions of many metals from their oxides ore, and that is being comes under, well, go for it, which is Fe2O3 solid plus 3 carbon monoxide gas in the presence of heat, 2Fe solid plus 3 CO2 gas, and here ZnO solid plus carbon monoxide presence of gas, heat, Zn solid plus carbon dioxide in the form of gas. So in carbon monoxide molecule there are 1 sigma and 2 pi bond between the carbon and the oxygen, and because of the presence of lone pair on carbon monoxide molecule act as a donor and react with certain metals when heated to form metal carbonalysis. The highly poisonous nature of carbon monoxide arises because of its ability to form a complex with hemoglobin, which is 300 times more stable than the oxygen hemoglobin complex. This prevents hemoglobin in the red blood corpuscles from carrying the oxygen around the body and ultimately resulting in death. Now we'll go for the detail here, which is your carbon dioxide. So let's go for it, but before that it's a detailed one, so that we'll discuss in the next coming class, which is of course your 34th class. So here we're gonna end up with. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box, and we'll be completing the P block element soon.